All right, so this morning Cody is taking me on my first flight with him. Obviously I've flown a bajillion times on airlines, but I have never been in a plane this small. It's a Cessna 172, I believe, and that's really freaking small. Like, so small they are concerned about like weight, so like we can't take a bunch of stuff with us. Not that I would want to, it's a day trip, but if we were to like rent the plane for an excursion where we took luggage, we would have to be concerned about weight. So it's really small. Cody's about to get in the car. Hey babe,
here's your brush.
Thank you. My hair's still wet. What are we doing?
We're about to get high
in the sky.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So I haven't gone over where we're flying yet, so Mr. Pilot, give us the good word.
So we're gonna go from KEUL to KWYS or KYWS, and
I have no idea what that means.
Okay, we're gonna take off from Caldwell. We're gonna fly
Caldwell,
in the air.
Idaho.
Caldwell, Idaho, and then we're going to. Is that Montana above us?
We're going to Yellowstone.
Yeah, Yellowstone
National
Airport.
Park. And I think West Yellowstone, isn't that technically still in Idaho?
No.
Oh.
It is.
See, I don't even know.
We're going to be flying in 3 different states today. Isn't that exciting?
So go over our itinerary.
Drive. Happening now.
Our flight itinerary. We're going to take off from Caldwell, Idaho. We're going to land in West Yellowstone, have a bite to eat, get some fuel, and then we're going to fly back to Idaho and head up to Stanley. We love Stanley. It's beautiful. We went backpacking there when we first started dating, so we want to kind of hit that same spot. We're going to Langer Lake, and we're going to fly kind of around there and then head back to Caldwell, Idaho. Super quick, super easy. Apparently, I've never done it, but that is our itinerary for today.
It's pretty easy. Show them outside.
So, we're headed out of Boise now.
Headed to Caldwell, to the west.
Yep, headed west. Wichita, Kansas.
myself, a way to get myself out of this world. You were not about, and I blame myself. I should have blamed myself, or that's what I've heard. And now I'm staying night and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be? We were out of line, out of our minds. We couldn't fantasize about nothing more. And now it's late at night and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be? It's late at night and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be? Had to stay inside, I had to hide. Started to realize what I wanna be.
You have to have a pilot's license to do this, right?
Yep. This is all the pilot's license gets you.
You can touch the plane, you can roll the plane, but you can't start the plane.
And now it's late at night and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be? It's late at night and the sun is out. What can we just?
Your chariot awaits, my lady.